Hello, and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar, modal auxiliary verbs. If you've ever been confused about words like must, should, can, or might, don't worry. This video will make everything clear and easy. We'll go step by step with simple explanations and real-life examples, so you can start using them confidently in your daily conversations. Let's get started.
Can. Uses of can. 1. Ability. 2. Request. 3. Permission. Example. 1. He can play the guitar. 2. Can you help me with this? 3. You can go outside now. 4. He can help me. 5. They can come today. 6. I can cook dinner. 7. She can speak English. 8. We can try again. 9. He can fix it. 10. I can see the park.
Could. Uses of could. 1. Request. 2. Probability. 3. Suggestion. Example. 1. Could you lend me a book? 2. It could snow tonight. 3. You could try asking your teacher. 4. We could try later. 5. He could come tomorrow. 6. They could win. 7. I could hear a noise. 8. She could solve it. 9. Could you pass the salt? 10. We could meet after work.
May. Uses of may. May. 1. Request. 2. Permission. 3. Probability. Example. 1. May I use your phone? 2. You may leave early today. 3. It may take a few hours. 4. We may leave soon. 5. He may call tonight. 6. They may travel tomorrow. 7. You may take it. I may buy coffee. She may join us. We may visit them.
Might. Uses of might. 1. Probability. 2. Possibility. 1. It might be cold tomorrow. 2. She might know the answer. I might buy this. We might go out tomorrow. He might call me. They might win. I might watch TV. She might change plans. We might start early. He might forget. Must. Uses of must. 1. Obligation. 2. Restrictions. 3. Certainty. Examples. You must study. I must finish this. We must go now. She must see a doctor. They must follow the rules. You must wear a mask. I must call my mom. He must pay. We must hurry. She must practice. Uses of will. 1. Predictions. 2. Invitations. Examples. They will win the game. Will you join us for dinner? We will start now. He will help. They will travel next week. I will buy coffee. She will study tonight. We will meet later. He will fix it. I will remember.
Should. Uses of should. 1. Advice. 2. Conclusions. You should eat. She should rest. We should leave early. He should apologize. They should try again. You should drink water. I should finish this. She should call him. We should help. He should listen.
Uses of would. 1. Preference. 2. Request. Example. 1. Would you like some coffee? 2. I would love to visit USA. 3. Would you open it? 4. We would travel if we could. 5. He would call her. 6. They would enjoy it. 7. I would buy that. 8. She would visit us. 9. Would you join us? 10. We would try again. Thank you for watching until the end. Now you understand how to use modal verbs more clearly and confidently. The key is practice, so try to make your own sentences using these modals every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.